Hi, welcome back to TBK Trading. Today I'm just doing a very short video. I have talked in another video about my dynamic trading strategy. So this is basically just a little recap how it's working, because when you show these boxes of the entry and the stop loss area and the profit area, um, it doesn't show exactly. Many people, they do a fixed entry with a fixed size and a fixed stop loss and fixed take profit. I don't do that. I follow the market dynamically. So I use micro contracts on the Nasdaq, and I go in and out several times. So when I show these kind of trades, I always follow this strategy. And today I did 8 trades. It was very good day on the Nasdaq market. For me, it was pretty easy to read most of the day. So I did some very good trades, I think. And I have marked out just step by step how I did one of these trades. So basically what's happening here, I have an entry here with 3 micro contracts. The reason I go in with the, you can say, full size that I agreed with myself to trade was that we actually just went very rapidly down to VWAP. VWAP is the blue line here, and I could see that it lost momentum, and I expected that I could make a good long here. So there are 2 different ways, of course, to do. You could do a fixed position size, and then just make the trade play out by itself. I prefer, as a part of my risk management, to go in and out. So basically, I do several small micro contract trades during the complete trade. So I'm never out. I'm always in. That's why I call it one trade, because I'm always in with a minimum 1 micro, and then maybe at one point I'm 15, at one point I'm 8. It depends completely about the market, what time of the day, and how secure I feel in the trade I'm doing. In this case, I enter here with 3 micro. Very often I enter just with 1, maybe add 1 to balance out my entry point. But in this specific case, I did an entry with 3 micros. What I'm doing here, so that's number 1. Number 2, we move upwards and we lose a little bit momentum. So I exit with 2. So basically I take a partly profit here. I move up my stop loss on 2 of the micros, so they are stopped out. I just put them up just below, of course, and in this case then I am stopped out with 2, so I take the profit of 2. Then we have a little pullback, retest down to the EMIs here, and I enter again at number 3, as you can see here. Number 3, I enter with another 2, so I am in with 3 micros again. Once again, up here at number 4, I exit with 2 micros. Down here at number 5, I enter again with 2 micros. And then, and that has nothing to do with skills, somebody said something, somebody tweeted something, some news came up. It was not the planned news, it was just some news, I don't know exactly what, that made an extremely high wick up till here. So what I did here, I hadn't placed exactly my TV at this point. I just say flatten all up here, and I closed the 3 micros. So that was a fantastic trade, and it went further than I had even imagined. So basically, that's just in short terms a recap of the dynamic trading strategy, how I am basically doing all my trades, and that's both when it comes to Nasdaq funded accounts. It's when I play for with my own funds on crypto. It doesn't matter. This is the way I prefer to trade, and I feel most secure. and it's the best way to, for me at least, to manage the risk. I think that was this. That was that for this video. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel. Click the thumbs up. That could be great. All YouTubers like to have that. So see you in another video.